Hey friends, if you wish to increase maximum volume of your system beyond 100%, then please watch this video. But I will give you a disclaimer, this can destroy your speakers, so do it at your own risk. Now I'll explain the method. Okay, use VLC media player. It is available on the Microsoft Store. Let me show you. Search for VLC and then click on VLC and then select the option to install it. Now, when you open any media file with VLC media player, okay, it has an option which says that you can increase it to 125%. But if you keep scrolling up the volume, you can see it can go up to 200%. I'll show the scroll bar as well. It is well beyond 100% or even 150% right now. You can see it where my mouse pointer is, okay? So this is what you can do, but I strongly recommend against this. And if it is for a certain browser, then the procedure is as follows. Open Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge, then click on these three dots here, select extensions, click on manage extensions and search for this extension called on the Google Web Store. You can search for this extension called Volume Master, though you usually see it here because people use it a lot, and hit enter. And then download this extension and click on add to Chrome and then select add extension. And you can use this extensions, what do we say, this extensions volume symbol to push it to 600%. But again, I strongly recommend against it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.